Ethereum value equivalent to 36,138 rands a coin. The present cost range, 34,321 37,034. The earlier day close, 35,302. The change was plus 836, plus 2.37%. Converse rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, April 14, cost 35,859 rands, high 38,369, low 33,349. Ethereum gauge on Monday, April 17, cost 35,275 rands, high 37,744, low 32,806. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost 36,858 rands, high 39,438, low 34,278. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, April 19, cost 36,949 rands, high 39,535, low 34,363. In multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost 37,067 rands, high 39,662, low 34,472. Ethereum estimate on Friday, April 21, cost 37,177 rands, high 39,779, low 34,575. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost 36,660 rands, high 39,226, low 34,094. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost 37,484 rands, high 40,108, low 34,860. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost 38,990 rands, high 41,719, low 36,261. In about 14 days Ethereum estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost 38,385 rands, high 41,072, low 35,698. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost 37,756 rands, high 40,399, low 35,113. Ethereum figure on Monday, May 1, cost 37,363 rands, high 39,978, low 34,748. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 38,279 rands, high 40,959, low 35,599. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost 38,426 rands, high 41,116, low 35,736. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 38,591 rands, high 41,292, low 35,890. Ethereum figure on Friday, May 5, cost 39,155 rands, high 41,896, low 36,414. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 37,965 rands, high 40,623, low 35,307. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost 38,719 rands, high 41,429, low 36,009. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost 38,698 rands, high 41,407, low 35,989. In about a month Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, May 11, cost 37,266 rands, high 39,875, low 34,657. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost 39,591 rands, high 42,362, low 36,820. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost 37,931 rands, high 40,586, low 35,276. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2023. In the first place, cost at 32,390 rands, exorbitant cost 41,719, while low cost 31,541. The middle value of cost 35,852. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 37,756. Change for April 16.6%. Ethereum gauge for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 37,756 rands. Exorbitant cost 43,195, while low cost 34,657. Found the middle value of cost 38,994. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 40,369. Change for May 6.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2023. To start with cost at 40,369 rands. Exorbitant cost 47,647, while low cost 40,369. Found the middle value of cost 43,229. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 44,530. Change for June 10.3%. Ethereum gauge for July 2023. To start with cost at 44,530 rands. Excessive cost 50,765, while low cost 44,123. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 46,716. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 47,444. Change for July 6.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at 47,444 rands. Excessive cost 58,887, while low cost 47,444. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 52,203. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 55,035. Change for August 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 55,035 rands. Excessive cost 55,035, while low cost 46,808. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 51,802. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 50,331. Change for September 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 50,331 rands. Excessive cost 50,331, while low cost 39,319. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 45,565. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 42,278. Change for October 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 42,278 rands. Exorbitant cost 52,475, while low cost 42,278. Found the middle value of cost 46,518. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 49,042. Change for November 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 49,042 rands. Exorbitant cost 49,042, while low cost 41,385. Found the middle value of cost 45,000.